In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct a truly anonymous survey using SurveyMonkey. Ensuring the anonymity of your respondents not only protects their privacy, but also encourages honesty and openness in their responses, which ultimately leads to more reliable data collection. So, if your goal is to make sure your survey remains completely confidential, follow along as we delve into the key steps to set up an anonymous survey. First and foremost, it is crucial to enable anonymous responses before you start collecting data. This cannot be applied after your respondents have already participated. So, to get started, you'll need to log into your SurveyMonkey account and open the survey you wish to use. Once you're in, look for the Collect Responses tab, which is one of the pivotal parts of the SurveyMonkey interface, dedicated to managing how you collect data from your participants. From there, you'll want to click on the specific collector you're planning to use, such as a web link or an email invitation. Each collector has its own set of parameters, and it's important to set them correctly to ensure anonymity. Now, within the settings of your chosen collector, you'll need to locate the option for anonymous responses. This is the setting that you need to switch on. Let's break it down a bit more according to the collector types. If you're using web links, you'll want to make sure the IP address tracking and personal info capture are disabled. This stops the survey from logging any identifiable digital footprints from your respondents, such as their IP addresses. On the other hand, if you're sending out your survey via email invitations, you'll find a couple of options. You can opt for Fully Anonymous, which will suppress any names, emails, IP addresses, and custom data. Or you may choose Partially Anonymous if you want to leave in custom variables but no other identifying information. These choices affect how much information gets logged and can be particularly important depending on the level of confidentiality you need. Moreover, a key aspect of maintaining anonymity is to refrain from collecting any identifiers from your respondents. Avoid asking for personal details such as their name, email address, or employee ID directly in your survey questions. Also, skip using custom data or appending any custom variables in your survey links that could potentially reveal the identity of a respondent. By following these guidelines, you ensure that your survey remains completely anonymous, encouraging more open and honest feedback. Making the design choices that prioritize privacy shows your commitment to handling sensitive information with care, which in turn can boost your response rate and the quality of the data you gather. That's it for today's guide. With these steps, you should now be well equipped to create an anonymous survey using SurveyMonkey, ensuring your data collection efforts are both ethical and effective. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.